Everybody, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Vaniyam. I am a student. I study in GMIT College, first year MBA. My topic I explain about strategies of leadership and marketing challenges and followers. Marketing strategies of leaders. First, introduction about the topic. We focused in some details upon Foster's generic strategies and the natures and sources of competitive advantage. In this chapter, we take the analysis a stage further by the examining how the organization position in the market and running from marketing leader through to the market niches, influence strategies and planning. Finally, we turn our attention to the way in which market and product life cycle need to be managed. Next topic, the influence of marketing position and the strategies. Is nowadays I discussions how the best formulated marketing strategies, and we have the focused so far on these sorts of models and approaches to the planning that can be helped to the formalize that analytic process. In making use of the models such as these and strategic needs to play of explicit attention to the series of factors. These are including to organization objectives and resources and managerial aptitude risk, the structure of the market, competitors, strategies, and very importantly, the organization position within the organization, the significance of marketing position, and its often very direct influence upon the strategies has been discussed in detail by a wide variety of writers, most of the whom suggest classifying competitive positions along a spectrum and from the marketing leader to be marketing niches. Leaders, challengers and followers and niches. These are the marketing strategy structures. Then leaders to work of expand the market and protect the current ratio and expand the ratios. Challengers to work to discount or cut prices and cheap goods and innovate product and distribution and improve the services and advertising the heavily and profitable or perforate the range and reduce cost and followers. Then this carefully segment carefully and use R&D cleverly and challenges conventions and niches is get to smart. Next topic is marketing leader. In the majority of the industries, there is the one firm that is they generally organized to be a leader, and it typically has two largest market shares, and by virtue of this, it pricing, advertising intensity and distribution coverage and technology advance and rate of the new product introductions, and it determine the nature, space and basis of the protection or competitions, and it is this domains that typically provide the benchmark for other companies in the industries. However, I need to be emphasize that marketing leadership, although often associated with size, in this reality in more complex concept and should interested be sensed in terms of organization abilities and to determine these natures and basis of competition within a market. A distinctions that this therefore be made between market leadership that is based on primarily upon the science and what made to be termed throughout leadership that is based on not so much upon size. but upon innovations and different patterns of the thinkings. Then marketing challengers and followers. The firms with a slightly similar market shares can be adopted. One of two stances, and they may choose to be adopt an aggressive stance and attract other firms and including the market leader in an they attempt to gain shares and these marketing challengers are they be adopted a less aggressive stance in the order maintained to the status of marketing followers. Marketing leadership. There are three roles. First one is expansions of the overall market. And then targeting a group that is currently are non-users and identify the new users of the product or services, increasing usage of rate. Then second one, guarding of the existing market shares, strong market positioning and the development and the competitive advantages, the continuous product and process innovations to generally the procurative senses are stands heavy advertising and leaders roles. Then expansions of the current market shares, heavy advertising and improve the distributions, price incentives and new market development and mergers and takeover, graphic expansions and distributor expansions.